Hi there, and welcome to GS4040 Managing Across Cultures. Now, I'm so glad that you have decided to take this class because I think it's one of the classes that will probably, at least in my estimation, be of the most value to you in the world in which we are entering in the next era. I think that there are so many things happening in our world today, in our globalized space, that are opportunities for us to harness. And if you're taking this course, most likely you are already in or aspire to some kind of management position. Management is about leadership, and our ability to lead others is directly proportionate to our ability to learn and to study and to be a good student. So you'll notice very quickly as you get into the syllabus for this class that I definitely want to encourage you to start looking at from early on so that you familiarize yourself with what's expected and when and all the rest of that. But you'll notice pretty early on that this is a reading heavy course. And well, I guess I don't really apologize for that because leaders are readers, but also because I think that there's a way in which we are using the reading for this class that I'm hoping will be very engaging for you. I don't have very much interest in people just doing collateral reading and just chalking up as many pages as they can to say that they've read some stuff. What I would like you to be able to do is use the reading that you are doing and put it to some use, practically speaking in this class, but hopefully also beyond this class, equipping you with some skills and some competencies that can enable you to be a change maker in your environment. So you'll notice that there's 4 main textbooks that are prescribed for this class that you're going to read in their entirety. And I'm asking you to produce 4 paradigm papers. And you'll see pretty quickly as you scroll through the rubric exactly what's expected for you in those paradigm papers, the amount of pages and all the rest of that. But what I'm hoping that you'll get out of those paradigm papers is as you read the content and as you look at some of the things that we'll post throughout the weeks, that you will begin to create for yourself a model, a paradigm that you will be able to use in your workplace in the days to come. You'll notice as we look at different topics over the several weeks, we're going to be looking at some Western and some non-Western approaches to leadership. And ultimately what we're looking to do is to build towards synergy. How do we get the best out of the people that we have and leverage that for everybody's common good? Not just the bottom line, not just the leader, not just the worker, but for everybody. And diversity is one of the greatest ways that we can actually do that. And that's quite contrary to the way that some people tend to think it operates. So I think there's great opportunity for us in this class to learn from each other. And I trust that you will engage deeply as we ask questions, as we think through ideas, and as you post some of your own paradigm ideas. I don't expect that you'll necessarily agree with everything that you're reading. I don't expect that you'll be able to use directly everything that you're reading, but I'm hoping that it'll inform the whole story for you, the narrative that you're creating, so that when you eventually produce your management model, which is what you'll do at the end of week 10, which is kind of the crowning achievement of your class, that you'll actually say this is something that is embedded in literature, in research, in good thinking, that ultimately is going to help you and help the people that you care about. So I trust it'll be a very worthwhile course for you. Please reach out to me by email. I'm happy to Zoom conference with you as well, and looking forward to learning together over this next semester. So I look forward to meeting you soon.